Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video.
Okay, after the text stroke, the next property that we are going to discuss is the word spacing. Now, as the name suggests, this basically adds a spacing, extra spacing. Using it, you can add extra space in between two words. Now, this feature is very helpful if you are trying to use a font where the letters are or the words are too close to each other. Now, before we dive into this example, you will find this in the style settings in typography. Okay, let me just click typography over here and you will see word spacing right below letter spacing, and you can set it for devices as well, mobile and tablet and mobile. Okay, so what I have done here is in this example, what I've done is basically I've selected the font family as rock salt. Okay, the weight is set to 600, the rest everything is default. Word spacing is 900 and text shadow is set to this blue color. The color of the text is basically missing, so I have basically replicated this example over here with the blue color and changed the font. Basically that is what I've done just to showcase you. Let me just go right over here and decrease the word spacing, and you will see this is how originally the font was, and now this thing is like this. Using the word spacing you can do this. Okay, so this is another very useful property that you can basically creatively use in your designs and make it more eye catchy.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.